as long as you're basing it in the physics of the actual sound waves going through steel, that's not going to change.
Yeah.
Whereas somebody's visual inspection, it could change based on 1,000 things. Maybe you have.
Hey guys, welcome to SIC SIP today. We are in our second to last video on 5-year inspections. I hope you guys enjoy this. Today we're discussing repeatability of 5-year inspections and using metrics and data to leverage maintenance on your guys' fire sprinkler system. So I hope you enjoy. Leave a comment and enjoy this video. See ya.
When I think about a sonic inspection, it's consistent. It will always be the same amount of points, and that's where consistency is going to allow for that information to then be best used. So it's not like we'll do 6 assessments at one system and 4 in another, where potentially, like, because we have such set standards and boundaries of what we have to operate within, it's repeatable. And I think repeatable inspections should be a focus for facility managers. And I think that's a really cool, like, nuance that Sonic is bringing to this industry, where I think with like traditional services, like specific visual or video, it's you're getting different amounts of information, and even from there, it's still a subjective call on whether that is good or bad. And so I think it's not as repeatable. Like with a technology side, we can stick 30,000 different people with the same unit, and it's going to provide the same amount of information. Whereas if you stick 30,000 people doing visual inspections, that you could get 30,000 different answers. You'll probably get one of 3 answers, which is it's good, it's bad, or it's okay. Like that's like you'll get one of 3. But like for Sonic, it's, hey, this pipe is good, this pipe is bad. It's just, or like, hey, this has trapped water. Like, it's the data side, and I think that's what's really unique about a Sonic inspection is is that a word, repeatability? I don't think it is.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, cool. Just doesn't sound good in my head.
Yeah, and it gives your facility managers like what to expect. I'm going to get this same service provided every 5 years. If we need a lift in this area, we know this always needs a lift to get access into this area. We're always going to be testing this area. So they're able to plan and prepare for these type of inspections when you have like a standard repeatable type of inspection assessment, where you know what you're getting, you know what to expect, and it's not like a surprise every time or something different.
Yeah. Well, and physics doesn't lie. Like, that's the thing I always come back to as, like, for the 5-year, like, our technology is based in the acoustical physics of carbon steel, and it doesn't lie. Like, there's not a way that you could get 2 dramatically different readings off the same pipe in the same moment. Like, it's going to be unless your guy doesn't know what he's doing, but like, assuming that you have a well-trained engineer, which all of our people, Chad is ruthless, and I can attest to this. There have been times I'm scanning, I'm like, I'm getting this, and he'll like grab it and touch the same pipe, and it's dramatically better, and I'm like, okay, I got to start all over. So he's trained me, and he's trained Sid, he's trained everybody else to be really good at this. But as long as you're basing it in the physics of the actual sound waves going through steel, that's not going to change.
Yeah.
Whereas somebody's visual inspection, that could change based on 1,000 things. Maybe you have a different contractor this year than you had last year or 5 years ago. It doesn't matter. You could have somebody else with our technology come in. Well, no one else has our technology, but assuming someone else comes up with the same idea, doing the same test, it's going to be the same physics, the same response, no matter what.
Guys, thank you so much for watching. We hope that you found that educational. Our next and last video next week on Tuesday is going to go live, and we are going to be really talking about our heart for fire sprinkler inspections and where we see these inspections going in the future and our dreams at Sonic. And so we're wrapping it up with that, and I hope you guys catch us next week on Tuesday. See ya. Have a good weekend.